If you're using Photopea and you want to make sure you never lose your progress, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to save your work in Photopea the right way so you can keep all of your layers, masks, smart objects, frame names, and full resolution intact. That means when you come back later, you can pick up right where you left off without losing any of the important editing details. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first and most important method is saving your project as a PSD file. This is the best option if you want to preserve everything in your file exactly as it is. To do that, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Save as PSD. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Once you do that, Photopea will prepare your file and start the download process. After you save it, the PSD file will download directly to your computer's Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. That PSD file is your master copy, so it's the one you'll want to keep if you plan to continue editing later. The great thing about PSD is that it preserves all of your editable elements, so your layers stay separate, your masks remain editable, smart objects stay intact, and your design stays in full resolution. So if you're working on a logo, a social media graphic, a thumbnail, or any layer-degraded design, always make sure you save a PSD version before closing Photopea. That way, you won't be stuck with a flattened image that you can't edit later. This is the safest and most reliable way to protect your progress. Now, let's look at another useful option, which is saving directly to cloud storage. This is super helpful if you want to access your file from different devices or keep a backup online. To do that, go to File, then Save More, and choose PSD to Storage. From there, Photopea will give you a list of storage destinations you can use. You can choose device if you want to save locally, or you can connect to services like P-Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Google Drive. Just select the one you want, then follow the prompts to authorize your account. Once you sign in and approve access, Photopea will save your progress directly to that cloud service. This is especially useful if you work across multiple computers or want your files stored safely online. It also makes it easier to reopen your project later without needing to manually upload or transfer files. Just remember, if you're using a cloud option for the first time, you may need to allow access before the save will go through. A quick tip, if you're making major edits, save often. Don't wait until the very end of your project. Saving a PSD regularly protects you from browser crashes, accidental tab closures, or internet issues. It only takes a moment, and it can save you a lot of frustration later. So to recap, if you want to save your progress in Photopea, use Save as PSD for the best editable backup, or use Save More and PSD to Storage if you want to save directly to cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Either way, you'll be able to come back to your project and continue editing without losing your work. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.